picking up well, so kuna hope I'll be back soon. Recovery journey obviously haijakuwa rahisi, it has been tough. Kuna mental aspect, but now at least since there is hope, I'm smiling. I'm not sure about when I'll be back, but as long as now I'm training, anytime I'll be back. First of all, I'm thanking their support. Wamekuwa kini support fully, and I'm here. I feel motivated. They have welcomed me well. So as well, nawapiga pia support tuone good results pia kutoka kwao.
Preparation have been well for the whole week. The boys are geared up, and we are positively going to have a good result. Having that has been out for about 2 years. So as the captain also brings in his experience in the team, and we are good that he's back. It has been good since we last won the last game. Our main undoing we were not scoring goals, but we scored 3 goals. So hopefully in the competition we're going to score goals.